PyCaret gives the possibility to define search space for hyperparameter tuning. So we can customize our parameter space, and this params variable includes the custom variable 40 with 10 steps will optimize the max depth, and n estimators will be optimized from 2 to 1000 with 10 steps. Okay, and with tune model function we can optimize the best object, which is our trained model now, and the custom grid parameter here is the params variable from here. Okay, and after the calculations we get this result, this table, so we can see the results per fault, and this is the mean result. It's 0.968, so we can see that this result is better than our base result that was 0.958. Okay, and we can print the tuned DT object, which is that one, and we can see the parameters here. Okay, and after that we predict model, so we use the predict model function with the tuned DT model, and our data is the df underscore test, which is our never seen data for the model, and we can see the results with the top model from our tuned DT, and we can see the APC is pretty good. After this we have other possibilities to optimize our model. One of these possibilities is the voting classifier. So now we are using the compare models function as usual, but we give the n select parameter, n select equals 3 in this case, and we sort based on APC. Okay, and we see now the results, all of them, but the first 3 based on the APC will be used here. So the first 3 models, 3 best models, and we can see these 3 best models: extra trees classifier, GBM classifier, and random forest classifier. And we can see the parameters as well of these models. And we can check the models with this way. So tops 0, for example, and we can set the weights of these models. So we can see here the tops first, second and third ones in the blend models function. So these will be the use models. Okay, and we can set the weights with weight parameter, and we need to give through a list. Okay, and now we have a result with Blender weighted classifier, and we can see that the result is equals tuned dt, which was the hyperparameter tuned model. And we can see now compare models with other parameters and blend models, now with only top 2 models, and the result of this is a little better than in case of top 3 models. So currently this blend model is not hyperparameter tuned. So now we will tune the hyperparameters of this model, of this blender weighted model, with scikit optimize. Okay, PyCaret has compatibility with different libraries for hyperparameter tuning. So you can use even random Bayesian, optional, TPE, and other possibilities. And you can change this with search library parameter in the tune model function. So now you can see we customize the tune model function. We are using the blender weighted model with the top 2 use models. Our search library is scikit optimize. Our optimize matrix is the APC, and the iteration number is 50. And I recommend you this link to check. Okay, and this is the result of this. So the mean APC result is 0.969. It's a little better than the base one, the base blender weighted model. And we checked also the test results. It's 0.9606. And we save now the tuned dt object with name of tuned dt. Okay.